What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when screen mirroring is not working on your iPhone. First, let's make sure that AirPlay is turned on and allowed on your device. To do this, open the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down until you see the General option. Tap on General and then look for AirPlay and Continuity. When you open that menu, check if the setting is set to either Automatic or Ask, which means your phone will prompt you whenever you want to use AirPlay to mirror your screen. If you don't see the AirPlay and Continuity option, you need to update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. To do that, head back to the General section and select Software Update. Your iPhone will automatically search for any available updates. If an update is found, simply follow the on-screen instructions to download and install it. Once the update is complete, your iPhone will usually restart by itself. In many cases, restarting your phone right after the update can fix minor software glitches that might be preventing your screen mirroring from working. Next, you want to make sure that both your iPhone and the device you want to mirror your screen to are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Screen mirroring relies on a shared network, so if your iPhone is on a different network or using cellular data, you won't be able to mirror. Also, check that Bluetooth is turned on. Having Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled will give you the best chance for a smooth connection. To start mirroring, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center. From here, tap on the screen mirroring icon, which looks like two overlapping rectangles. Your iPhone will then search for compatible devices on your network. Select the device you want to mirror to, and if you're asked for a code on your TV or streaming device, simply enter that code on your iPhone to complete the connection. Lastly, if you're mirroring to an Apple TV or another AirPlay compatible device, it's important that AirPlay is also enabled on that device. You can usually find the setting in the receiver's own settings menu under AirPlay. If you're using a third-party screen mirroring device, check that it's updated to the latest firmware. Outdated software on the receiving end can sometimes stop your screen mirroring from working properly. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.